Hey guys, welcome back to Bassline Lessons. Today's video I'll be teaching you how to play ghost notes easily and apply them on praise the better way, okay? So if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons if you're interested. You will see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on any of the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with a tutorial. Okay, I know many of you have been watching YouTube videos on how to play the ghost note, but I will say many of you still don't know how to apply them on praise. I will guide you on how to apply the ghost note on praise, things you need to know. So I use this song to demonstrate on how to apply the ghost note, okay? So I'll do a quick thing for those who doesn't know how to play the ghost note at all. So to play the ghost note is a very tricky way. You see people relaxing their fingers on the string, but they are not pressing the note, okay? So you just relax your right fingers on the string and pluck any string, okay? So you see that it gives you a pop sound. It's a ghost note or a dead note. Some of you might call it like that, okay? So anytime you want to play a ghost note on a string, you just relax that finger on that string. That I'm playing the fourth string, or even the first string, or the second string, or even the fifth string. Okay, you just need to know where you have to apply that ghost note, either on the third string or on the fourth string. You just need to know that, okay? So when you pluck, use your left hand to pluck like this. Then you use your right hand to just relax on top of the fret. Do not press the fret. Do not press your note. Something like this. Do not press it. Just relax it on top, okay, to give you that ghost note, okay? So now let me show you how you can use them, or how I use them in praise, so that you can apply the same technique, okay? So the song I used was played on key A, okay, key A, and I want to say the progression out. So the Son of God, that is your 4, 5, 1, and the people say, so that is 6, 2, okay, then 5, 1. So Son of Fa, so do, la re, so do. Okay, so I play this simple praise pattern that maybe some of you might know, but if you don't know, I'll teach you. So this is a praise, so the tempo went very fast. So you see that playing it like this is very raw. I am not applying the ghost note yet, so when you are playing, it's so raw. Okay, so your 1 progression, 4 progression, 5 progression, okay? That is the 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 1, 3, do, mi, fa, la, so, ti, do, mi. Okay, so how do I apply the ghost note? You understand? So I sometimes count it. So do, mi. You saw that I played 3, 2, that is, and here. You understand? So I can even play do, mi. You understand? So that is 2, 3 or 3, 2. I can even play, that is 3, 3. Do, mi. And this is where I'm playing the ghost note, the string, because I'll be playing on the fa. So do, mi. So I am playing on the third string. That is 1, 3. Now to my fa, okay. Do, mi. Then you go to your fa, fa, la. That is 4, 6. Okay. So you do it a little bit faster. Okay. Okay. So do, mi, fa, la. So we are playing ghost note 3, 3 or 3, 2. We'll be using ghost note, the 3, 3 ghost note. That is a 3 pop. Okay, you understand? So do, mi, fa, la, so, ti. That is your 5 7, your 4 6 1 3. Okay, do, mi, and back to my 1. You understand? So do, mi, you understand? So you see that I applied the ghost note on my mi, on my third string to my fa, the same on my third string to my so. Now on my do, so I'll apply the ghost notes on the second string, do, mi, that is 1 3. Okay, so again, you understand? There are many ways you can play the ghost note. Sometimes I even chop whilst playing the ghost note. You understand? So now we are done with the 1 4 5 progression. So now we are going to the 6. You understand? So on to my la. So the la is on the third string. So okay, la do. You understand? Okay. You understand? So la do. Okay. Re fa, the same. So you plug the ghost note on your fourth string to your re fa. Okay, re fa, so ti. Okay, so just make that an exercise. Yeah, you should do that an exercise so that it stick to your fingers. Yeah, so now let's move to the hallelujah. So you see how that goes. So you slide to your do, mi, do, so, do. That is 1 3 1 5 1. Okay, so now you come back to your so, ti, so, re, so 5 7 5 2 5. You see the ghost notes I played there, the same 3. Okay, or okay, so okay, so let me just brief it down for you. So do, mi, do, so, ti, so, re, so. Okay, 1 3 1 5 1 5 7 5 2 5. Okay, so on my third string I apply the ghost note. So 5, so ti, do, mi, do, so, do. Okay, so you understand? So then you come back to your do. When the people say do, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, fa, la, so, do. So 1 1 5 6 1 2 3 4 6 5. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.